accounting for eastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over moments, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for areas on and near the Kankakee River. Hazard, 3 in 60 miles per hour. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Moments, Lake Village, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Winfield, Rose Lawn, Lake Dalecarlia, Grand Park, Hopkins Park, Shelby, Schneider, Thayer, and Sumava Resorts. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. The following is a special marine